Revolutionize your driving experience in 2024 with these 8 must-have car gadgets. From cutting-edge tech to innovative solutions, get ready to upgrade your ride like never before. Don't miss out. Hit play now and join the conversation in the comments below.
Number 1. The Toolwiz Magnetic Gauge Tool is a must-have for anyone serious about car maintenance. This universal automotive tool is perfect for wheel alignment on popular brands like BMW, Benz, Chevrolet, Toyota, Honda, Jeep, and Citroën. It allows you to return the strut to its original camber position after suspension work and accurately checks camber and caster angles. The strong magnetic base attaches easily to metal surfaces, and the clear scale ranges from 5 to +5 degrees, ensuring precise measurements. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool makes wheel alignment straightforward and reliable. Highly recommended. Number 2. The Saro Car Cup Coaster is a fantastic car accessory. Made of high-quality silicone, these coasters are durable, waterproof and dust-proof, keeping your cup holder clean. They feature stylish groove patterns and come in various colors, adding a personal touch to your car's interior. Measuring 2.77 inches, they fit most cup holders and reduce noise. Easy to clean, just rinse with water. The company also offers excellent after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction.
Number 3. The car seat gap filler is a game changer for anyone tired of dropping items between their car seats. This innovative product, seen on Shark Tank, provides 100% gap coverage around the seatbelt catch, ensuring nothing slips through. It attaches securely to the seat belt and moves with the seat, eliminating the need for readjustment. Made from high-grade neoprene, it fits most vehicle gaps and lasts a lifetime. Each pack includes 2 fillers for both driver and passenger sides. Number 4. The Flex Tough floor mats for cars provide excellent all-weather protection from snow, rain, and mud. Made from durable rubber, they fit most vehicles and can be trimmed for a perfect fit. Measuring 27x20 in the front and 51x14 in the rear, they mold to your car's interior. Easy to clean. Just wipe with soap and water to remove spills, dirt, and stains. These heavy-duty mats ensure long-lasting protection. Number 5. The OEM Bluetooth bidirectional scan tool is a top choice for mechanics, offering powerful diagnostics and wide vehicle coverage. The 2024 model is faster and more popular, with enhanced features like OE-level functions, VIG guided function, and auto-off for FCA SGW, making it compatible with Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep Alfa Romeo, and Fiat post-2017. It supports over 37 reset services, active tests, and online coding, making repairs and maintenance efficient. The updated hardware includes dual-frequency Wi-Fi, a stronger battery, and extensive storage. With a 5-year warranty, 2 years of free updates, and 24/7 technical support. Number 6. The Retractable car charger is a fantastic addition to any vehicle. It supports multiple fast charging protocols, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and more. The retractable design extends up to 80 centimeters, 2.6 feet, and retracts smoothly for tangle-free storage. This charger also features a smart fast charging system with a voltage monitor to protect your device from overcharging, overcurrent, and overheating. Compatible with various vehicle models, it ensures a stable connection even on bumpy roads. With a 360-day exchange or refund policy and lifetime 24/7 customer support. Number 7. The TRVE Car Cleaning Gel is a must-have for keeping your car spotless. This perfect car slime is designed to reach into all the nooks and crannies of your vehicle, effortlessly picking up dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair. Easy to use. Simply press the detailing tool into cracks and watch as it pulls out dirt, Plus, it's reusable. You can use the cleaner gel multiple times until it turns dark in color. Made of high-tech material with a delightful cherry blossom scent, it leaves no residue and is gentle on your hands. Not just for cars, it's also perfect for cleaning keyboards, cell phones, and more. Number 8. The Oil Catchcan Tank Kit is a game changer for maintaining engine cleanliness and prolonging its life. Its baffle cools hot oil vapor, turning it into liquid and catching oil and moisture vapor, thus keeping the engine clean and enhancing its durability. Made of premium aluminum, this 400 milliliters Catchcan ensures long-term stable performance. With 3 different sizes of adapters and O-ring gaskets to prevent oil leakage, it fits various hoses securely. Moreover, it effectively reduces fuel consumption in high-speed and turbine engines. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, you can trust in its quality. And there you have it, folks. 8 must-have car gadgets to elevate your driving experience in 2024. From advanced dash cams to smart tire pressure monitors, these innovations are essential for modern drivers. Which gadget are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more futuristic tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future. Drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting updates.